Happy morning, dear children. Welcome to your English class. In previous class, we have completed our book back exercise, which we have in 78. Okay, so I hope you all completed your book back exercise till 79. Okay, if you have any pending, you just try to complete it. And today we are moving into the next lesson. So the topic is Funny Bunny. I hope we all completed this book back exercise also, but today we are going to revise this exercise. Okay, so I hope you know this lesson, so the content of this lesson. So this story is all about Funny Bunny. So bunny means obviously rabbits. So this story is about a rabbit. So it's not clever. At last it took all the animal and went to the fox, and at last it met with a danger. So the main moral of this lesson is, so you have to think wisely before you do something. So that is this lesson. So we are moving into our book back exercise. So in page number 83, so we have, listen, so we have many exercise. So listen carefully. One day Dash fell on Funny Bunny. So they have given two options. So you should select the correct answer and write it in the given dash. One day Dash fell on Funny Bunny. So what's the answer? Okay, then a nut fell on Funny Bunny. So you can see here the nut fell on Funny Bunny. Okay, so Funny Bunny wanted to tell Dash what he saw. So whom did Funny Bunny wanted to tell that? The king. So the king is the correct answer. Okay, next part is who said these words in the story. So they have given some conversation or some dialogue. So you are going to write who said this word. So the character you are going to write. So for that you should go through the lesson. So then only you know all this. Okay, listen. Ouch, the sky is falling down. Who said this? Yes, Funny Bunny. Okay, so I must tell the king. Who said this dialogue? Yes, again Funny Bunny. The king lives here. Who said this? Foxy Foxy. Follow me. Who said this? Again Foxy Foxy. Ouch, the sky is falling down. It was said by Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. It was said by, again, Funny Bunny. The king lives here. It was said by Foxy Foxy. Follow me. So it was said by Foxy Foxy. Okay, so if you have any pending in this exercise, try to complete it. Okay, so we'll move into next page. So the next exercise is circle the add one out. So what is meant by add one out? Add one out means the one thing will be different. So that is add one out. For example, I have a basket full of apple but one orange. So the orange is different there. So I have to pick it up. So that is add one out. So here they have given some words. You are going to circle the add one out. Okay, listen. Bun, sun, fun, gun, one. So all this ending we can see UN, but here it is different. So this is add one out. Okay, so next one, bed, fed, led, said, read. Here said is different, so I am going to circle it. Okay, next he, me, be, T and V. Here all the ending you can find E. So T is different. So I am going to circle T. Next one, way, say, hey, pay and they. So here they is different. So I am going to circle they. So before you are doing any exercise, you should know the meaning and what's meant by add one out. Okay. Next is find the opposites of the given words and make sentences. So here listen, so we are going to write the opposite and we are going to frame a sentence. For example, fat, opposite of fat is thin. Okay, so we are going to write a sentence, the boy is so thin. Yes, so here they have given the opposite and here they have given the answer. Okay, fall, rise, the sun rises from the east. Okay, next one, start, opposite is end, this is the end of the road. Next one, come, opposite is go, we go to the market. So or else you can write your own sentence. Big, small, he is a small boy. If you come up with your own sentence, that's good. Okay, write your own sentence. Alright, so next we are moving into another exercise, that's in page number 85. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Okay, they have given the story Funny Bunny, so we are going to write the correct answer. For that you should know what is meant by present tense and past tense. Usually the story will be in past tense. Okay, listen. I read a funny story of a funny rabbit. One day a nut, what is the answer? Fell or fall? Fell is the correct answer. So you have to tick here, not here. Tick fell. Write the answer here. On his head, he thought that the sky was, because this is a past tense, the story will be in past tense, so you have to write was, falling. So he went, okay, went to the king. On the way he met different animals. All of them joined, not joined, joined. So this is past tense. Join him. At last they met, not meet, met a clever fox. It took them to a forest and ate them all up. So you can find all these words are past tense. So this is present tense and this is past tense. Okay, so in this age you just know what is meant by present and past. Okay, yes, so kindly go through this exercise from page number 83 to till 85. That too, this exercise, till this exercise you go through. Okay, thank you children.